awesome. Okay. Everybody listen. Okay, so listen. Oh my goodness, Union, guess what? This morning was just wild for some of us. Miss Byers was up here, and I got a text this morning at like 5:55 saying that their electricity was off through part of Union. Well, you guys know we don't have very many windows here. I was like, it's gonna be so dark. So I got ready really quick and I came up to the school. Right when Miss A pulled in the parking lot, they popped right back on. So we're good to go. So listen guys, so important. We're gonna get ready to get started. But today, we're gonna need everybody, including you, to be so amazing. Because we have a lot of staff members gone today. You know how sometimes we can't help it? We have sick kids, sick teachers, people are gone doing things. So I want you guys to be amazing today. We've got Miss Gwen's class in a minute. They're not gonna come up yet. We're gonna go ahead and do our pledges and some of our stuff this morning. And then Miss Gwen's class is going to do something special for you. Now, if you could please quietly stand for our pledges this morning. Good job. Everybody stand, voices off. With your right hand on your heart, facing the American flag. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That was perfect. Facing our Oklahoma flag. Salute, pledge. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma and salute the nation that all people. That was wonderful. Guys, we're going to do our moment of silence. Remember to take this time to be silent, reflect, or say prayers. You may begin. So amazing. I hope you took that time to do your breathing. Maybe you thought about some things you did yesterday and what you can improve on. Amazing job. Let's go on to our Union Creed. I want it loud and proud, and I want you thinking about those words. Ready? Go. I am a Union Wildcat. I believe. I will rise. That was so proud. That was so proud. Let me look in here. If you would please quietly have a seat. Thank you so much. Miss Gwen's class, are you guys ready to make your way up to the stage? Union Wildcats, let's give them a cheer. They're coming up here to show you something special. Oh, wait, I can't hear you. I'm so excited. Okay, so excited. I'm gonna get out of the way. Say, let's go Ponca!
Okay, all back in the first 9 weeks of school, our class worked on rounding numbers. And we found this song we liked so much, that helped us so much, that we thought we would share it with you today.
To a certain place value. Find the rounding place, then continue to look at the number to the right, man. You don't need luck. If the digits 5 or more, then you round up. If the digits less than 5, then you round down. That's how the rounding number was found.
When rounding up, the rounding place goes up by 1.
give them a big round of applause? Guys, I love that. And rounding is fun. But you know, rounding is a hard concept to get. But once you get it, that keeps going. And so sometimes when you younger kids will hear sayings, like I used to always use 0 through 4, 5 through 9. How long have I been out of the classroom? It's like something, 5 through 9. Go next door, 0 through 4. Something, sorry. I failed. Anyway, 4th grade, that was awesome. I like the pumpy music that gets us moving and going. Okay, I need all Union Wildcats in this gym, please. 2, we have a lot of chatting right now. Let's take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. Blow it out. Let's do one more. In through your nose. Hold it. Blow the candles. Very good. Now our voices should be on. It is so exciting to see our classes up here showing you what they're learning. So much fun. Now we don't always have it every Friday. That will be later down the line. But right now we're working our way into classes, getting back up there now that we can be in the gym and all that good stuff. Okay, so moving along real quick before we get excited about our Wildcat Power. I have Spirit Awards, the Wildcat Tag Awards. This week, I'm going to show you our Wildcat Tag Awards. I'm so excited about this. Before we go on to our questions from our One Book, One District, I've got 2 Wildcat Tag Awards. Okay, here we go. The first one I have right here. This student is full of smiles. Always see them doing the right thing. Sorry, guys. Always see them doing the right thing. A great friend, and actually, not sure if she made my bracelet today that I got on, one of my bracelets. I have a few. She and her other buddy, who's amazing. This person already got the Wildcat Tag Award last year. Not this one now. Her friend did. And they're always making me neat, not that you have to make things, but always making neat things, always smiling, always following the Wildcat way, and using procedures, and just being an amazing Union Wildcat. And that is Kaylin Kaus. Come on up, sweet girl! Did I say that right again or wrong? Yes. I finally got that right, guys. John, I am so proud of you. This is a great girl, everybody. Give her a big cheer! Now, this next student, also amazing. This student is just so full of life. And when I say full of life, just has that high energy, kind of like Miss Anderson. Some of the times I do. But this student just has a heart of gold, is sweet, is trying so hard in his classroom to do the right things, to follow procedures, listens to his teacher every single time the teacher asks him to do something. He has come so far since the moment he stepped foot into Union Elementary. And he just puts a smile on my face every day because there's something exciting that he shows me or he does. And this kid might find out who it is because he even comes in to Mrs. Hassenfratz and myself, and sometimes we'll have staring contests. But sometimes he doesn't make it all the way through because he starts giggling, and it's so precious. And that student is Riley Hiller from STEP class. Riley! He's just been so amazing. I know, this is yours. Good job, everybody. Give him a big cheer. Okay, you can say hi. Hi, Union Wildcats. Hi, Union Wildcats. Good job, Riley Hiller. I'm so excited. Okay. How many of you read chapter 4 in Summer of the Monkeys? Okay, good. I know a lot of us are getting busy, so we're keeping up with it. I need Miss Gwen to pick 2 of your students that read it last night and send them on up here. Here's the question. I want you guys to think about it because we're going to hope these students know. Okay. Shh, don't say. You can't tell them. Go ahead and come up if you got picked. Well, hello. good children. Okay, here we go. Here's the question. Shh, don't say anything. It says, what impresses and frightens Jay Berry the most about the big monkey? So shh, don't say. What does the big monkey have or do that scares Jay Berry, but then also impresses him? It is his teeth. Good job, girls. Let's try another one. Okay, so his teeth. He's got them. I mean, if you ever look up monkeys, so I know that like as maybe you go through the book, your teachers will kind of research some things and show you some things. But monkeys they can get the big old smiles, and they can either be like they're mad or they're happy. So very good. Okay, the next question is, how does the big monkey spring Jay Berry's mouse traps? So he's trying to trip up Jay Berry's mouse traps. What does he use to do that? Let me ask these girls and see if they know. Oh my goodness, we have the smartest students at Union Elementary. A stick! Yes! So everybody cheer them on. They got both questions right. Come here, girls. You can get something out of our little wow basket. And remember, we don't pick up sticks at school and use those, okay? Just FYI, just throwing in a little idea. Okay, moving along. We got to get going this morning. Spirit Award. That at the end. Leadership. Here's your lunch menu for today. The most important part that most of you think. It is, guys, this is going to be a shocker. It's cheese pizza, corn, carrots, and cinnamon applesauce. Okay. This weekend, you do not have to read a chapter this weekend, but you are more than welcome to read ahead. That's your choice. But if you want to stay with the district, we will have one on Monday. So that kind of gives you a break over the weekend. Okay, and then it says, guys, today, it's supposed to start raining today. Oh man, no, but that's a good thing. Oklahoma needs rain. But with rain comes inside recess, right? But that's okay. Your teachers will get things out. Maybe you can watch something in your room, play some games. But inside recess means that we'll probably be inside. So I want you to be on really good behaviors, okay? So we can do that. Now, let's get started with our spirit this morning. We're not going to count just yet. Teachers, you can start counting. But we're going to do our Wildcat Power because I want to see who can be the loudest. This side, this time is Wildcat. This side, you're Wildcat. This side, your Power. Watch Miss Hayes' hands. This side is Wildcat. Cover your ears if you don't like it. This side is Power. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. It's Wildcat and Power. Watch my hands, okay? Here we go. Wildcat! I know it sounds like screams, teachers. Teachers, again, Miss Anderson's hearing is not always right. I don't know which side sounded louder. Mr. Arnold, usually you're kind of the... Oh, he said Wildcats! Okay. Hey, it's okay. You know why? Because you can get him next time. So keep being amazing. So I'm going to play the Wildcat Fight song. You're ready to stand up and cheer while your teachers count for our Spirit Award. everybody have a seat. Deep breath. Let's see who our Spirit Award winners are for today. Everybody deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. Very good. Miss Clark. 45%. Miss Byron. 51. Miss Didley. Ooh, 65. Miss Pruitt. 62. Miss Gwynn. 63. Mr. Arnold. 50. Miss Wyckoff.
63.
Ooh, 63. Okay, Miss. Let's see. We've got subs today. Mr. Washington. Oh, okay. That's okay. Miss Keller.
14 out of 22.
Okay. Good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Miss Sherry or Miss Judy. 63. 45. Miss McHenry. 50. 16. Jim! Way to go! We will get your trophy to you. Union Elementary. Have an amazing Friday, and I will see you around. Have a good day, guys.